So we have come to the last part of the lesson, potential energy of an electric dipole in an electrostatic field. Let us see the definition. Potential energy of an electric dipole in an electric field is equal to the work done in bringing the dipole from infinity to inside the field. Let us see the diagram. So this is the diagram of a dipole, familiar diagram. This dipole has been brought from infinity and it is placed in the electric field E. The electric field here is just shown by two lines on the upper and lower part of the dipole. As shown in the figure, due to the field E, a force QE acts on the charge plus Q in the direction of the field. Equal force F equal to QE acts on the charge minus Q in the opposite direction. This F, which you can see, is actually equal to QE, force on a charge in an electric field. F equal to QE in opposite directions. Work will be done on plus Q by an external agent. Work will be done by the field itself on the charge minus Q. But as you can see, the length of the dipole is twice L. So if it was being brought from this direction, to reach the point where minus Q is there, an additional distance of 2L has to be traversed. So additional distance of 2L has to be considered in case of the charge minus Q. So we mention it. The charge minus Q covers 2L distance more than plus Q. Now let us see the net work. If both were on the same points, that part of the work has cancelled each other. So what is left is the work done because of the additional distance. The work done is force into distance. So that was done in the case of the charge minus Q. So minus QE into twice L. This is twice QL. One of the charges into length is electric dipole moment. So formula becomes minus PE. This work done is the potential energy in this position. In this position means the position is parallel to the field. So let us denote it as U naught. So U naught is equal to minus PE. Previous video we have learnt if the dipole is rotated through an angle theta, what is the work done? It was PE cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. If it was rotated from parallel position, which is now our current situation, then it is cos 0. So our formula is W is equal to PE 1 minus cos theta when it is rotated from equilibrium to an angle theta. Let us denote this potential energy in this position by U theta. So this U theta will be equal to U naught plus W. So potential energy in this position will be the potential energy in equilibrium, which is this, plus this work done, because now the potential energy has increased, it's at a higher position. So just put the values. Write it in vector notation. This is the general equation. Special case, theta equal to 90. So the dipole is now perpendicular to the field. No work is done because potential energy is 0. So it has cancelled each other for plus Q and minus Q. So potential energy 0. If 180 degree, You know that cos 180 is minus 1. So plus PE. In this case, dipole is in unstable equilibrium.